Barbecuing on a Bastard Anniversary Edition can be about the meat, but it doesn't always have to be, because there's so much more that we can make on the fire cooking utensils we all love so much. So basically today what I'm going to be showing you is how to make corn fritters with a barbecue cream sauce. So obviously there's going to be corn involved. I got 4 of these. I'm going to grill them slightly to get some char on there, which brings the depth of flavor. And I'm going to be crunching up some bacon. It's going to make that barbecue cream sauce that I promised you. And we're going to start off with some sour cream. Add a good dose of your favorite barbecue sauce. Mix that through. Take some zest and juice from 2 lemons. To spice it up even further, we're going to add a good dose of chipotle Tabasco. And then finally, just add some fresh parsley to it. A little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to make like the base for the corn fritter. About 120 grams of flour, about a teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to need 3 eggs. Juice of 1 lemon with a good whisk. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. This corn looks good. While that's cooling down, I'm going to cut up these veggies. I got 2 jalapeno peppers here. We grilled off that bacon, so it's nice and crunchy. We're just going to give that a rough chop as well. Just going to cut off the kernels off the cob. And just add these to the mixture as well. Take 2 spoons. A good heaping. Put it on there. Keep the lid closed. Trust your bastard. And that's how easy, but oh so delicious, you're going to be able to make these corn fritters. This is actually going to be a recipe in my new book, Snack Attack Barbecue. It's coming out in the spring of 2023, but for now, you already know how to make it.